What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Brandoncoin. I'm back. Tonight we're not going to have our regularly scheduled live stream. I don't know if we're going to be doing much live streaming until I'm actually moved into the new house. So with that being said, I have some videos and some suggestions that are already sitting in the docket. If you have any other suggestions, please just fire them down below. But one of the overwhelming ones was how can I direct mine Ethereum? I think I did this like 2 years ago. I made a how to mine Ethereum or whatever, but this is going to be an updated guide for 2019. Yeah, so it's actually, what is it? It's May 13th, 2019. So if you're watching this way in the future, things may have changed. But as of right now, this is how you're going to be direct mining Ethereum. So the first page you're going to want to go to is the Bitcoin talk thread. This is where I've been getting the Claymore miner. Some people are liking the Phoenix miner. I prefer the Claymore, especially now that they have version 14.1. It seems to be working pretty good. This is the miner is the actual application that's going to be using your hardware to mine the Ethereum, and then you receive the Ethereum. So you're already going to have an Ethereum address or a wallet. You can set that up with a number of different places. I can do its own video on how to do a wallet, but you're already going to need a wallet. Then you're going to go to this thread. I'll put this link down below in the description, and obviously it'll show his latest versions and stuff. He keeps this thing updated. Claymore is legendary on the Bitcoin talk threads, so yeah, awesome guy. Now go to the download link. A lot of people get confused. This is the mega upload link, and he actually keeps all his old versions inside of here. So yeah, you see all these. Well, if you look down at the back of it, it'll be version 11, version 11.3, 0.4, 0.7. You're gonna want the newest one, so 14.1. You'll just double click it. It'll start downloading it right here, and then Windows is gonna be like, "Oh, this is bad." So Claymore's dual Ethereum miner is dangerous, so Chrome has blocked it. It's gonna say that about all miners pretty much. So what you're gonna have to do is go to show all downloads, which is actually up underneath right here. It's right there. So show all downloads. And then you're going to need to go to keep this dangerous file. Keep it? Yeah, keep it anyway. I want to keep it. So now if you click on show in folder, it'll show where it's at. I've already downloaded this. Then the next thing you'll need to do is right click, extract files. Boom, once you extract it, then drag it out of your downloads section. And what I like to do is put it right onto my desktop. So I actually have it right here. So Claymore's dual Ethereum version 14.1. So you're going to open that file up, open this one up, then go all the way down and see where it says start. You're going to right click on start and then edit. It's going to bring up this notepad file right here. If you want to change the pool, this is where the pool goes. Right now it's set up to go to Ethermine. If you want to change the address, this is where your wallet address goes. So put your wallet address in and then put the pool. You can leave it on Ethermine. This is using the European server, but I'll copy this this address. This is not my address. I think this is the developer's address. I'll show you what it looks like on the pool side, but that's how you set up the notepad. You'll just click file and then save. Then you'll close that out and then you just double click on start and it'll actually start up the miner. I'm going to close mine out before it starts mining because it'll lag out my computer. But yeah, it'll show your graphics cards that you have in the system, how many compute units, and then it'll actually start mining. So let me close that out before we lag. Are we lagging? There, okay, we're not lagging anymore. Mining Ethereum, depending on what graphics card you have, will make your system either laggy or not so laggy. Some cards put up with it well, some don't. I have a GTX Titan Black in this machine, old graphics card. It does not like mining Ethereum and doing anything else. So, yeah, just know that ahead of time. Now, to actually check your statistics, you can bring up this and go to Ethermine. Ethermine.org. Let's go to the home section. So this is what the page is going to look like. If you want to search, all you do is put your wallet address right here. And after, it might take a minute or two of mining to get shown up once you get some shares. But there it is. Boom. So this is, I assume, the developer's address, and it looks like there's like 500 mega hash on there mining, and you can see the different workers. But yeah, so you can just look at what you got going on. You can look at the payouts when you're actually getting payouts. It'll show you estimated what you're making, and that is how you actually mine Ethereum directly. That's one of the ways. Obviously, there's other ways, but this is not profit switching or anything like that. It's just straight up mining Ethereum. So I'm going to do another video actually showing how to like fine tune graphics cards overclocking wise for Ethereum. So look out for that. But ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in, and I hope everybody's having an awesome night tonight. There was one thing that I wanted to touch on actually, and you know, I'm gonna make a separate video for that, just so this doesn't end up getting lost in the back of this video. But I hope y'all have a good one. We will see you on the next episode of Brandoncoin, and we're going to stay true to the 10 p.m. time slot. So Monday through Friday, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's where you'll either find one of my live streams once I'm back on a normal schedule, or I will be having pre-recorded videos. So thank y'all. Have a good one. Later. Any suggestions for future videos, put them down below in the description. If you want to come hang out with us, we're in the Discord. Link for the Discord is down below in the description. Peace.